Traffic congestion on Western Express Highway will ease in 2 years as work on building an underpass to improve connectivity to and from the international and domestic airport began after the Bhumi Pujan was conducted by Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Monday. As the country is battling the second wave of COVID-19, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Monday slammed the BJP-led NDA government at the Center for the Mismanagement in Tackling the Pandemic and said that 97% Indians have witnessed desperation in their income due to the arrogance of the central leadership. Former Chief Minister and leader of opposition Bhupen Singh Hooda says that the second wave of corona has slowed down today, but the government should start preparing for a possible third wave from now on. For this, the emphasis will be on strengthening the infrastructure of health service. Not only this planning will have to be done from now on the handle to post-corona situation. On Monday, according to the instruction of the State President Congress Committee, Ajay Kumar Lallu district with all different demands at all the district Congress headquarters. Digital Dharna was organized with Congress Committee President, frontal organization, functionaries and senior Congress leader, which was concluded today on the Digital Dharna by District Congress Committee, Balia, under the chairmanship of District President Om Prakash Pandey, who will take the main demand through Digital Dharna. Prakash Pandey said that after the immediate dismissal of Uttar Pradesh Government's Minister of State for Basic Education, Satish Chandra Dwivedi, the UP Board's Class 12 examination will be cancelled without vaccination. With ramping up of production capabilities, near 25 crore made in India vaccine are expected to be available by August, the senior official has said, and noted that it will go a long way in meeting the target of vaccination 1 crore people daily against COVID-19. SDM Baria led by Prashant Kishore Nayak, Nayab Tehsildar Rajat Singh, Revenue, Police and UPPCL departments including Station Head Baria reached Pandepur. Due to the Pipa Bridge not yet being built, the boat and tractor resort take to go across the river visited the dredging work on the spot, instruction given to assistant engineer after talking to farmers. India's gross domestic product for the fourth quarter ended March 31, 2021 stood at 1.6%, government data released on Monday showed. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Monday alleged that the central government has a zero vaccine policy which is acting as a dagger in Mother India's heart. The Maharashtra government on Monday extended benefits under at the economical weaker section quota to the Maratha community days after the Supreme Court scrapped a separate reservation in jobs and education for the dominant social group. From Shania Kapoor scoping up the ground with her gorgeous shoot to Kartik Aryan kicking up another controversy, SRK and Deepika heading back to work and more